Are you planning a bathroom remodel? The wrong product or the wrong contractor can put you in an unsafe situation and take all your money. We've put together this quick course which will help you navigate the process. For more than a decade, we've helped thousands of New Jersey homeowners avoid those exact problems, turning old, unsafe bathing areas into walk-in showers and walk-in tubs that they feel safe and happy in. To help homeowners like you, we've created this free 15-minute video course. It covers the biggest mistakes we see, how to avoid them, and the safety upgrades you actually need. If you're even considering a remodel or a makeover, click the link below. It's 100% free.